Good day, guys. This is Mr. Prince Maths and Science class, and in this video I'm going to be solving linear equations by substitution method. So when solving linear equation, we have two types of method. It's either the substitution method or the elimination method, and I'm going to be talking about the elimination method in another video. So in this one, in question 1, we are given x minus 1 equals to 8 as equation 1, and 2x plus 3y equals to 6 as equation 2. Okay, and now we have to find x by substitution method from equation 1. So now I'm going to write out equation 1 as x equals to 8 plus y, making x the subject of formula to make another equation 3. Okay, and now what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be putting equation 3 into equation 2. That's the whole purpose of the substitution method, right? So now one thing you need to notice is that you can't put equation 3 into 1, because equation 3 was derived from equation 1, and this will lead you to a dead end. It's gonna cause you some it's gonna get you an answer that is impossible. So now for equation 2 6, 2x plus 3y equals to 6, right? 2x plus 3y equals 6. That's equation 2. So we are going to be putting equation 3 into equation 2. So that will be 2x is 8 plus y, right? 2 into 8 plus y plus 3y equals 6. So when you expand, you should get 16 plus 2y plus 3y equals 6, right? So that will be 16 plus 5y equals 6. So 5y will be equals to 6 minus 16. 5y will be equals to minus 10. Okay, and y is equals to minus 10 divided by 5 will give us y equals to minus 2. So now from equation 3 says x equals 8 plus y, right? So we're going to impute y into that equation. So that will be x equals to 8 plus into minus 2. So x will be equals to 8 minus 2, right? So x will be equals to 6. So therefore x will be equals to 6 and y will be equals to minus 2. Okay. Number 2, we have x minus 3y equals 0, and 4x plus 8y is supposed to be plus. 4x plus 8y equals 5. So I'm just going to do the same thing like I did in number 1. So I will make x subject of formula from equation 1. X will be equals to 0 plus 3y. So that means x is equals to 3y, right? So I want to put x equals to 3y in equation 2. So put x equals 3y in equation 2. Okay, so one thing, like I said from the first example, that the first, when you're making a third equation like this one, this is equation 3, right? You cannot put it back into equation 1. You cannot put it back into the first equation, because that's where it was derived from. You have to put it into the other equation. So now we are putting x equals to 3y in equation 2. That will be 4 into 3y plus 8y equals 5, right? So 4 times 3 will be 12y plus 8y equals 5. So that will be 20y equals 5. So y will be equals to 5 over 20. 5 divided by 20 will give us 1 over 4. Okay. And now we know that x is equals to 3y, right? So that will be x equals 3 times 1 over 4. Okay. So x will be equals to 3 over 4. So therefore x will be equals to 3 over 4, and y is equals to 1 over 4. So that will be the answer for that. So in this question we have y equals to minus x minus 6 for equation 1, and y equals to x minus 4 for equation 2. So from equation 2 we can let x equals y plus 4. Okay, from equation 2, let x equals y plus 4. Okay, So we are going to substitute x equals to y plus 4 into equation 1. So y will be equals to minus into y plus 4 minus 6. Okay, so y will be equals to minus y minus 4 minus 6. Okay, so if we bring this y to the other side, that will be y plus y equals minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. So that will be 2y equals minus 10. Okay, y will be minus 10 divided by 2. Y will be equals to minus 5. Okay, and then we know that x is equals to y plus 4, right? So therefore x will be equals to minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4 will be equals to minus 1. Okay, and therefore we can say x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to minus 5. Okay, so now let's do number 4. Number 4 says 7x plus 2y is equals to minus 19 for equation 1 and minus x plus 2y equals 21 for equation 2. So in this one, we are going from equation 2. From the equation 2, we are going to rearrange it to form another equation 3. Okay, so I will make it like 2y equals 21 plus x, because I'm trying to prevent this minus x. That was why I rearranged it that way. So if we can write y as y equals 21 plus x over 2. Okay, so y will be equals 21 plus x over 2. So now we are going to put y equals 21 plus x over 2 into equation 1. Okay, so that will be 7x plus 2 into 21 plus x over 2. Okay, is equals minus 19. So these two can cross out this 2 here, right? So that will be 7x plus 21 plus x is equals to minus 19. Okay, so 7x plus x is 8x. 8x is equals to minus 19 minus 21. So 8x is equals minus 40. Okay, and x is equals to minus 40 divided by 8. Minus 40 divided by 8 will give us minus 5. Okay, already know that y is equals to 21 plus x over 2. So y equals 21 plus x over 2. So we are going to impute y now. We are going to impute minus 5 into x. So that will be equals 21 minus 5 over 2. And 21 minus 5 is 16. So that will be 16 over 2 equals 8. So from this equation, we get that x is equals to minus 5 and y is equals to 8. And sometimes if you feel like, oh, am I sure if I did the right thing, we can check by doing a second method. So, and I'm going to show you a second method I can do right now. So if we do a second method, check. Okay, from equation 3, we can make s the subject of formula. Okay, so in this second method from equation 3, make x the subject formula. In the other one, we made y subject of formula. Okay, so therefore x is equals to 2y minus 21, and then we can put x equals to 2y minus 21 into equation 1. Okay, so that will be 7 into 2y minus 21 plus 2y is equals minus 19. Okay, so if we open this bracket, that will be 7 times 2 is 14y minus 21 times 7 is 147 plus 2y is equals to minus 19. Okay, so 14y plus 2y is 16y, and let's take minus 147 to meet minus 19 at the other end. So that'll be minus 19 plus 147. Okay, so 16y is equals to 128. So y equals to 128 divided by 16 will be 8. Okay, so if we put y equals to 8 into x equals 2y minus 21, so we should get x equals 2 into 8 minus 21. Okay, so that will be x equals to 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 21 is equals to minus 5, and we still get that x is equals to minus 5 and y equals to 8. So we can still see that the answer is right, because that was the answer we got for the first one, using making y as the subject of formula. So and I believe our answer is correct now. Now we are given we have another example, and this will be the last example for this video. Number 5 says y equals minus 3x plus 4 for equation 1, and y equals to minus 5x minus 17 for equation 2. So from equation 1 that we have, we can write it this way: y minus 4 is equals to minus 3x. Okay, so that'll be minus x equals minus y, minus x equals y minus 4 over 3. Okay, and I wrote it that way because I'm still going to multiply through by minus 1, so that I could take the minus from the x. Okay, so when I multiply through by minus 1, that will be x is equals to minus y plus 4 over 3. Okay, so now I'm going to put x equals minus y plus 4 over 3 into equation 2. Okay, so we put that into equation 2, that will be y equals to minus 5 into minus y plus 4 over 3 minus 17. Okay, so that will be y is equals to 5y. If minus 5 times minus y is give us 5y, and minus 5 times plus 4 will give us minus 20. 5y minus 20 over 3 is equals to minus 17 over 1. Okay, so y will be equals 3. So that will be 5y minus 20. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 17, it will give us minus 51. Okay, so if we cross multiply it, 3y is equals to 5y minus 20 minus 51 is minus 71. Okay, so that will be 3y minus 5y equals minus 71. So 3y minus 5y is minus 2y, right? So that will be minus 2y equals minus 71. So y will be equals 71 over 2, because the minus will cross out each other. So if we put, let's put y equals 71 over 2 into x equals minus y plus 4 over 3. Okay, so x will be equals to minus 71 over 2 plus 4 all over 3. So this 3 can multiply this 2 here to give 6, just to make it much easier. So that be x is equals to minus 71 over 6 plus 4 over 1. I like to write it this way to simplify it, so that I could see it from where I'm writing. So 6 is going to be the LCM, right? So that will be minus 71 plus 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So that minus 71 plus 24 over 6. So that will be x is equals minus 71 plus 24 will give us minus 47. So be x equals minus 47 over 6. Okay, so therefore it will be x equals minus 47 over 6, and y is equals 71 over 2. So that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Make sure you like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm going to be making a part 2 of this video that will be solving linear equations by elimination method. Thank you and peace out.